Let's talk about Jasmycoin real quick. The current price of Jasmycoin is trading at around 0.01258. And if you're paying attention, we are going to be talking about the orders chart as well. This chart is very, very important in order to give you a clear direction of what you should expect. This is orders chart excluding top 10 cryptocurrencies in the crypto space. We are currently on the weekly time frame for the orders chart. We are going to talk about the BTC price and also the BTC dominance chart. As you guys already know, the BTC dominance chart is a very, very important indicator that can be used as a confluence to know when to exit your position, when to enter, when to dollar cost averaging, when to expect the massive pump we all have been waiting for. You get. Now let's just talk about the orders chart real quick. Now if you notice, the same history is about to repeat itself. The same pattern is forming. The last time this pattern formed, we flipped it into a support and then got a massive pump to the upside. Over $260 billion was added to the altcoin market, excluding the top 10 cryptocurrencies in the crypto space. Now, the reason why I said history is repeating itself is we have now formed the same pattern and flipped it into a support. We broke out with this candle, flipped it into a support. Very, very soon we are going to get another massive rally candle like this. Let me see. Okay, 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 5 weeks. That is 5-week massive non-stop uptrend. Now, if you're paying attention, this $491 billion was the previous high of the last market cycle in 2021. So considering the institutional adoption, the government involvement, the mass adoption of cryptocurrencies, I think we are going to this time around take out this previous high, flip it into a support, and then start heading into the $600 billion, $700 billion territory for the altcoin market. Now, if you're looking at Jasmycoin, we are still yet to take out this liquidity right here to tap into this order block, which has a lot of orders here, a lot of liquidity pile up waiting for it to be executed. So the moment you are seeing Jasmy take out this previous high around 0.01456, then just know we are going to get a rejection from here, because technically the bearish order block is supposed to be the area we get rejection from. The only time I would see Jasmy invalidating this bearish order block, which is what I actually wish for, is when the market sentiment is ultra bullish and Jasmycoin is approaching this zone, this order block, with a massive volume, trading volume, be it sell volume or buy volume. The moment that is happening, then we are going to take out this bearish order block, invalidate it, flip it into a support, and then continue our massive run to the upside. Now the resistance still remains, which was the previous price target I gave you guys, which got hit multiple times, which is around 0.020. So that zone is still a very, very significant resistance zone, both on the 4-hour time frame, daily time frame, weekly time frame. The moment Jasmy is successfully taking out this 2-cent area, flipping it into a clean support with at least 3 daily candles close above it, bullish daily candle, then just forget it. It's going to be a full cent for Jasmycoin. Now let's talk about the BTC dominance real quick. If you're paying attention, the BTC dominance is currently seated at 65.17%. We are left with 28 days and 14 hours until this current monthly candle closes. The monthly candle is still sitting very, very small, and is indicating a bearish signal already. Now we need to see this monthly candle, this current monthly candle that is showing a bearish signal, drop massively into this zone, and the moment we are entering this zone, breaking below it, flipping the zone into a resistance, then expect further price drop for the BTC dominance. We need to see that to happen in order for altcoin season to begin. As long as the BTC dominance continues to increase in percentage, then altcoin season is going to be postponed. It's going to take a while to come. So for we to enter into a full-blown altcoin season, we need to see the BTC dominance start retracing aggressively. Historically, the month of May is usually the month BTC dominant bottoms, but this market cycle has proven to be exception, has proven to be different from the previous cryptocurrency market cycle. And it's as a result of the institutional adoption, government involvement, like mass adoption. So that was I think that is one of the major reasons the entire crypto space has like shifted, because it hasn't really followed the same pattern it has been following since its inception. Now, the dump for this BTC dominance is going to be diabolical and is going to be televised. I'm expecting a minus 39% dump on the BTC dominance. The last time we had a minus 4% dump on the BTC dominance, altcoin market rally, some coins were pumping 50% in a day. I think that was a few months ago. Just 4% drop on the BTC dominance. Now imagine what would then happen when we start dropping 10%, 20%, 30%, up to this 39%, which is usually the bottom area for the BTC dominance. That is when you can begin to see 200% gain on altcoins on a daily basis, because the altcoin market is going to be in a full-blown parabolic move to mass. There's no point selling now when the BTC dominance hasn't even like bottom or began her correction. I think what you should be doing now is to dollar cost average into your favorite altcoins with good utility, good hype, and solid team. The reason why I'm saying that is, as long as we are still above this resistance, we are currently above this, we have tapped into this order block, this entire area, the zone between 71% to 60% is an entire bearish order block. So we've now tapped into it, but there is still tendency that we might continue to like increase further to around this 71% before getting a massive retracement from there. So if that is happening, then your best bet should be dollar cost average into your favorite altcoins, because they are going to bleed and give you a more discount opportunity to buy into. Whatever I say is really my own opinion, by the way, and should not by any means be regarded as financial advice. So if we should get to 71%, then the crash is going to be diabolical. And if the crash should begin from here, which is what I'm expecting and what I wish to get, the crash is still going to be diabolical. A lot of you are going to make life-changing gains. The gains you are going to begin to see, the profit you are going to begin to see in your portfolio will like amaze you. It will be unbelievable. Position yourself correctly now before this crash happens. I think the crash is almost nearing its peak. The pump for the BTC dominance is almost nearing its peak. And any moment from now, we should start expecting that crash. BTC just tapped into the $110,000 zone, and is currently traded around around $109,969. We are left with 1 hour 46 minutes until this 4-hour candle closes. BTC successfully flipped the $108,000 zone into a support, and the moment that happened, we got an 8-hour moonshot candle to the upside. We are yet to take out the previous resistance, which was around $111,000 for the price of BTC. This was the previous resistance. So the moment we are able to take that resistance out, flip it into a support, then we should expect further price move to around 115K to 120K for the price of BTC. Now let's go back to the BTC dominant real quick. Now the moment you start seeing the BTC dominant retrace, let me give you like a cheat sheet now, a cheat code. The moment you start seeing the BTC dominant retrace or dip or dump massively to the downside, and you see the BTC price increasing, that is a sign that we are either in the early stage of the altcoin season or the altcoin season is about to begin. We need to see the BTC dominance dumping aggressively, and then BTC price pumping to the upside. Then altcoin is going to explode. But when you see the BTC dominance increasing and you see the BTC price increasing, altcoins are going to bleed. And if you see the BTC dominance dumping to the downside and you see BTC price consolidating or moving sideways, then altcoins are going to have a relief rally. So that's just that for that. So as always, my name is Isaac. Invest wisely, position yourself before the massive dump on the BTC dominance begins. As always, if you haven't liked this video, please smash the like button. Drop what you think in the comment section of this video. Share this video with your friends and family. As always, peace out.